So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your ugly looking pond that's a murky yuck color into a nice green, bluish, vibrant color to where you can actually swim in. We're going to introduce the Airmax pond dye. Just pour it inside your pond to change from this color to a kind of a bluish haze. What'd you put inside your pond?
Airmax natural blue pond dye plus bacteria, and it helps cool the water, puts a sheen over the sun, and it keeps the water a little bit cooler with the fountain and everything. It's going to really bring this pond back to life.
So there you have it. What we're going to do is we're going to see what it looks like tomorrow. As you can see, he was putting it in, and he was just slowly, he put it in two different parts of the pond right now. It's he got enough to cover an acre, but what he did was dilute it, and tomorrow we're going to come back and just see the progress that it made. It's already towards the end of the day, so I can't really show too much on it, but it's starting to spread. What we've done over the past couple of days is we went ahead and put the coloring inside the pond, and it's been sitting for about 3 days now. And as you can see, it's completely changed it. It's almost a little bit greenish, but it's starting to get into a blue shade right now. So the effects by doing this sort of thing and treating your pond actually is gonna help keep the water temperature cool, to help your fish during especially the summer times. Now they recommend the treatment in every 4 to 6 weeks, depending on the actual rainfall. But if you just follow the guide and the schedule, you should be able to maintain it. And from there, you know, we're gonna kind of take a look at it a little bit more over time. So it should clear up a little bit, but as you can see, it's entirely changed. It's actually starting to look somewhat swimmable. If you like the channel, if you like the content, go ahead and hit the subscribe button to support it. Talk to you soon.